Hello, welcome to my new series, which is going to focus on the types of ordnance carried by the B-36. I've mentioned in earlier videos that I control a very massive ordnance collection. All of my specimens are either empty or filled with an inert substance. Let's start with one of the most common things carried by the B-36, which would have been the M38A2 practice bomb. It's made out of stamped steel construction. It's very lightweight. Beside of it, you see the predecessor, the M38. I've seen no reference to this in anything in my library. I have thousands of technical orders and ordnance brochures, and there's not even a single sentence mentioned about it. This was made in January of 1937 by Hemp & Company. Back to the M38A2, which was made by SAC in July of 1943. It's actually amazing that this thing survived the war in such pristine condition, not to mention this one surviving the World War II scrap drives. So let's go to where it's mentioned, where these bombs are mentioned in the B-36 Gunnery Manual. Here they are now. Practice bombs used for target practice. They're available in various sizes and weights to simulate service bombs. The 100-pound practice bomb M38A2 simulates general purpose bombs. It is filled with sand and has a 3-pound spotting charge. So now we're going to look at the main the main technical order discussing this bomb. The M38A2 is a round-nosed cylindrical bomb designed to simulate general-purpose bombs. It is 47.5 inches long and 8.12 inches in diameter. As issued, the fin assembly of the bomb body, which is empty. The assembly fin and body weighs 15.8 pounds. At the point of use, 80 pounds of sand are poured into the bomb case and the spotting charge added to create the complete round, which weighs 100 pounds. The spotting charge is assembled in a sleeve at the base of the bomb. Spotting charge. The authorized spotting charge is the charge spotting assembly M1A1 for practice bomb 100-pound M38A2. Black powder. However, the spotting charge assemblies M3 and M4 may also be used. These assemblies consist of a 3-pound charge and an internal fuse consisting of an inertia type firing pin and blank loaded shotgun shell as the primer. The M3 produces a loud cloud of black smoke and is authorized over snow-covered ranges. The M4 is authorized for use in ranges equipped with sonic spotting devices. The M1A1 is used for all other purposes. Assembly. The complete round is assembled as follows. Inspection. All lots of M38 series practice bombs manufactured prior to September 13th, 1943 will be inspected at the time of use for defective spot welds, particularly at the joint and the fin and cone and body. If the welding is unsatisfactory, the bomb is otherwise serviceable. The bomb may be repaired by continuous or interrupted seam weld in order to obtain the joint with sufficient strength. Load with sand to weight. Remove the bomb from the carton and inspect for serviceability. Remove the closing cover from its place and sleeve. Place the bomb upright and fill completely with the uniform sand mixture. Shake load down well so that there will be no room for the shifting. If lighter loading is desired, mix dry sawdust or dry sifted ashes with the sand. The bomb must be filled and loading material uniform. Press the closing cap into place. Assembly of the spotting charge. Insert spotting charge assembly and seat firmly with arming pin pointed away from bomb and suspension lugs. Pass arming wire through rear suspension lug and then through eyelet in the arming pin. Adjust the arming wire to extend 2 to 3 inches beyond the arming point. So basically what they're saying is you got to take this cap off, and then you got this big spotting charge that goes in here, and you've got some sort of an actuator that's spring-loaded that has a firing pin that utilizes a 12-gauge shotgun round to detonate the black powder. And of course the rest of it is filled with sand and, believe it or not, ashes It's very interesting. Cool. Yeah, pretty much every Army Air Force pilot that ever flew an airplane that dropped bombs practiced with one of these things. I've seen these things on jets, P-51s, you name it. Give you a better look at this guy. This is the M38. If you're here for the Ordnance, please check out the full-scale B-36H model that I'm constructing. Unfortunately, at this point, it probably will never have a bomb bay, but who knows? I'll see y'all next time.